Hello good people, I come back with another video. Does anyone have tried to eat Panda's favorite food as a dish? Certainly most of you already have knowledge of what Panda food is, right? Correct, it's bamboo shoots. In this video, I will cook Panda's favorite food. Check it out. The first step, boil twice the bamboo shoots to remove the acid odor from the bamboo. Then throw away the boiling water. To cook bamboo shoots, we need spices as follows. The first is garlic, next onion, small onion, aromatic rhizome, aka galangal, cayenne pepper, fine candle nut, and brown sugar, or for alternative you can use palm sugar. I only use half of these spices because the other half will be used for the next day. Let's start pounding to make a puree of the spices. First, start with garlic. Now, we puree the small onion and garlic. We can use a little salt to make it easier for us when pounding it so we can get fine or smooth texture. Why are there swimming goggles here? Because I use it when I smoothing onions, so it cover my eyes from dry or watery, and this method works for me. Now we will blend these spices so that we get a texture like puree. It's enough like this. Then we do the next step. Now we pounding galangal to become flat like this. It will make the flavor of galangal come out. The next step, we slice small or thin this brown sugar to make it melt easier when cooked. Then we slice the cayenne pepper into small pieces. Prepare the celery and the leek as the garnish. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan and use it to saute the spices. After you can smell the fragrance of the spices, pour in boiled bamboo shoots and stir a few moments. Next, use 2 whisked eggs and put it in the pan. Continue to stir. Then add the brown sugar and stir again. The color of this dish will turn brownish. Cut the leek into small pieces and put them in the pan. Stir for a few seconds. I will spare the half for my children. Then the other half will add slices of cayenne pepper and stir in a few moments. When the dish is already cold, you can sprinkle the salt as you like. All done! We will eat the cooked version of Panda's food. The texture should be crunchy. Bamboo shoots are low in calories, high in dietary fiber, and rich in various nutrients. Thank you for watching.